Hello everybody, this is Captain 10 and today we're going to go over how to make a communication board for children that's on the spectrum, people that needs a communication device to speak, and we're going to build it out. This is inspired by PEX. That's where I got it from, so if you need to look up any research, I'll leave the links to how to. You can probably buy it, you can buy it from them or you can build it out yourself. I want to teach you how to build it out yourself today. Alright, we have 3 folders you can use. The rings are here, so if you need to create any sheets to hold anything, you can put it there. You got the ringless binder, it's flexible, durable. Then we got the hardcover that you can use. Like that. We're also using self-adhesive sheets to laminate the pictures. So we have our pictures right here. We're gonna cut these out right here, different ones. Help children communicate. We got different. I'll leave the links then to how you can print these out and just have them. I1 is a good one. This is a Zoom. So that's what we're gonna do. We got our materials, and today we're just gonna work with this red one. We're gonna make everything simple. We try to make this real simple for people to get this knocked out. And you know what I'm saying? We're going to just try to make it very simple for everyone. Boom. Boom, boom. So we got this, that we have a shoestring for the children to hold it, or whoever you're working with. And we have Velcro, so it can stick on in there and stick on the picture. So that's what we got. So what we want to do is take the laminate paper, peel this off, put that right there, sit that down. Wow. Now let's put our pictures on there. We have, as you can probably see, we would want the child to say, look, giraffe, look, giraffe. And this is stage 2 or 3. As you can see, we want the child to say, I want water. Or I want snack. Now we can save these to the side. So we got our cardboard. We're gonna laminate it. Pop out. Got the laminate paper. It's not real sophisticated. This is if you're on the move. We on the move right now, and we just lost our communication boards and stuff. So this is how we're working. Now we're gonna take the Velcro. Velcro part, then you got the soft part. So we want to flip these over, and usually like to put our part right here. So we'll get, so we got like three. Put 3 on there. Also, you don't put it right on the board. For the soft areas, we put for the soft parts, and this is how it's gonna go. Ooh. Got a communication board. So the whole gist of this is level phase 1. The child would just come to you and say, snack, snack, and you give them the snack. Woo, snack, and the snack will go into you. They give you the snack sticker, and you give them the thing in their hand, and they put it back. So if the child is thirsty, they say water. They come in and give it to you, the water. And then you go, oh, and you give them the water. Boom. Now, when you get to the next stage, say, I want. They'll go like this. I want snack. You'll rip it off, come bring it to you, and you'll read it. I want snack. So slowly it's teaching communication. So when we're at the zoo, this is what they'll do. You want your child to do? Look, lion. Look, lion. So sometimes they'll probably put, I want lion. But you were like, oh, let's correct that. You put it back, and you will put, make sure they put, look, lion. Or if they put, look, snack. You gotta make sure they're not saying, look, snack, that they want, I want. And we would reverse the process, make sure they put this on there. Yeah. I want snack. Now, many of y'all maybe will not have a printer. That's when your artistic skills will have to come into play. Have magic markers, right? Magic markers. let's take these cardboard paper and no, it's not gonna last for a long time, but hey, we're trying to teach. We're trying to get these children to communicate and speak. Place that on that bad boy. See? Same thing. No different. So, this is how life is. Signs are not the same around the world. Child comes to you. Communicate with you. I want water. And then you give them the water. Boop. You want the children to carry this around. You don't want it too big for them. They can put it on their shoulder. So let's do this. Do that. Got that part. And look, they could carry it around now. See?